See, you are not listening. See, you put. If you are good girl, you will listen. If you are not good, you know what happened, right?
I won't here.
Yeah, put the money first there, then come. Why?
I won't. Because I was not. That's why I won't.
You put the money there. Then you come. You put already? Yeah, like that, okay? If you saw something, money there, you will ask first, Mama, can I have this one like this? You cannot take like that, direct put in your pocket. It's not good. Ayan, may galab shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Kuha lang tayo ng ano. Ng tawag doon. Highlights. Ayan, malapit na tayo mag isang oras. Isang oras lang, okay na. Update lang. Update tayo. Naghintay ako sa tawag ng aking amo. Ako ng Kleenex. Yes.
I can put this one here, and then Mama see where I'm putting.
Why? For what that one?
Because I like to put that way.
You need to take Kleenex, Mimi, and then put in your... Maybe there is Go-Go and there is Kleenex in the car?
Yeah, there is. Can I picture with you?
Picture? I didn't make picture.
How are you doing?
Me, for me only.
But I want just to do it too. I'm already big because I know.
You want to see? Only in that one, see? Makulit. Gusto tado niyang musasali din sa akin. See? Yan ang alaga kong makulit. You know makulit?
I know.
What is makulit?
Means you need to make pear.
Pear?
Yeah, like that thing. In a face like that.
See, hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
How are you?
Hi.
My name is
Mira.
Mira what?
Mirabella Grace.
Wow. And how old are you?
I'm 3 years old.
And father?
Marco Grace.
Wow, your mother's name?
I
You don't know your mother's name?
didn't know now.
You need to ask your mama. Mama, what is your complete name? Okay.
No, it's Mama.
What is the name?
Mama Steve Mara. Mama Steve Mara.
No. Maria, I think Maria.
No, it's like that. I listened. He was like this.
What?
Steve Mama.
Steve is Baba name.
Or
You forget. Allah, I will tell to Mama. Mama Maro, Maria Maro. I forget also.
me too. When I now go take from your in school, I'll say it.
Yeah, we will ask Mama, what is your complete name? Pareha kaming duha nakalimutan
My
niya.
dinosaur.
Wow, nice.
How next my hand?
See? Oh my God. I like this one. We make like this only. Yay. Dinosaur is turning. Turn.
Do you know when we go Philippines, I can move.
You like to go Philippines? What you will do there?
I want to play with the toy.
Oh. You want to play with? Answer me.
Dong Dong and Chikai.
Oh. I thought you want them to come here.
I know.
Sabi kasi niya, papuntahin daw niya si Chikay o si Dongdong dito daw sa kanila. Gusto daw niya makipaglaro.